Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. First of all, thanks my Almighty Allah. How are you all? I hope all are very excellent. Alhamdulillah, I am pretty well.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. May I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can ask me some questions.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. What's your full name?
My full name is Nihad Islam Alif.
What's your nickname?
My nickname is Nihad.
Which name can I call you?
Yes, you can call me only Minhas because my family members, relative and friends have called me only Minhas.
Okay, mashallah. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 6.
What's your school name?
My school name is Sundarpur High School.
How old are you?
I am currently 12.
How many siblings?
I have 3 siblings.
Who do live with you?
I live with my family.
Okay, mashallah. How many members in your family do you have?
I have 7 members in my family.
Who are they?
There are father, mother, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother, and myself.
Okay, mashallah. When you get up?
I get up at 6 a.m.
When you go to your bed?
I go to my bed 10 p.m.
Okay, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Shahid.
What does your father do?
My father is an expert.
How is your father?
Alhamdulillah, my father is very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Okay, mashallah. Do you love your father?
Yes, I love my father.
Mashallah. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mia Akhtar.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
How is your mother?
Alhamdulillah, my mother is very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Do you love your mother?
Obviously, I love my mother.
Okay, what's your brother's name?
My brother's name is Nihad.
What does your brother do?
My brother is a children.
Children. Do you love your brother?
Yes, I love my brother.
Okay. What's your sister's name?
My sister name is Alifa Akhtar.
What does your sister do?
My sister is a student.
Do you love your sister?
Of course, I love my sister.
Okay, mashallah. How is your sister?
Alhamdulillah, my sister is very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
What's your grandfather name?
My grandfather name is Mujib.
Do you love your grandfather?
Yes, I love my grandfather.
How is your grandfather?
Alhamdulillah, my grandfather is very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Okay. What's your grandmother name?
My grandmother name is Muhammad Begum.
Do you love your grandmother?
I love my grandmother.
How is your grandmother?
Alhamdulillah, my grandmother is a very excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah.
What's your village name?
My village name is Shukipur.
Do you love your village?
Yes, I love my village.
What's your union name?
My union name is Barupara.
What's your post office name?
My post office name is Dospara.
What's your upazala name?
My Upazala name is Daudkandi.
Do you love your upazala?
Yes, I love my Upazala.
Okay, mashallah. What's your district name?
My district name is Kumilla.
What's your division name?
My division name is Chittagong.
What's your religion name?
My religion name is Islam.
What's your capital name?
My capital name is Dhaka.
What's your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh.
Okay, mashallah. Do you love your country?
Yes, I love my country.
Mashallah. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
What's your favorite fruits?
My favorite food is apple.
What's your favorite player?
My favorite player is Mohammad Salah.
What's your favorite dress?
My favorite dress is Punjabi pajama.
What's your favorite fish?
My favorite fish is Hilsa fish.
What's your favorite country?
My favorite country is Saudi Arabia.
What's your favorite place?
My favorite place is Makkah Madinah.
Okay, mashallah. Thank you.
You are most welcome.
Okay, mashallah. Keep up the good work. আপনার সন্তানকেও এরকম প্র্যাকটিক্যালি ইংরেজিতে প্রশ্ন করা এবং ইংরেজিতে উত্তর দেওয়া শিখাতে চাইলে এখনই ভর্তি করুন প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ইংলিশ কোর্স বাই মাসুম স্যার। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে প্লিজ ফলো মাই পেজ এন্ড শেয়ার মাই ভিডিও। থ্যাংক ইউ।